on me this time.
Oh man.
Hey, listen, we came up with a tune, you guys.
Okay, skate over a little bit.
It goes like this. We got this from a school play.
In like what grade?
4th or something.
Yeah.
Well, it wasn't our school play. Anyway, Katie and Carly.
Carly and Katie. Okay,
That's all. It sounded better now.
Yeah. We're like, yeah, Katie and Carly.
Okay, they get the point.
Wait, no. It was Katie and Carly. It was supposed to be Lewis and Clark. Clark and Lewis. See, it sounds better.
Okay, they don't care. They care about
it sounds better with Clark.
They care about the
Oh, I haven't started this yet.
It doesn't matter about the timer.
Yeah, it does.
They care more about my metro station tour, disco balls and blow up dolls shirt. Oh yeah, they came to our city.
We're not gonna say what city though. Keep it guess. Yeah. I think.
I need a cowboy hat. Anyway, so previously on Katie.
Yeah.
Like 2 minutes ago.
Wait, I was trying to think of something dramatic to do, like in a soap opera, but I couldn't think of anything.
That was pretty.
He just died. I don't know. I know what you told Carlos.
Carlos is the best name you could think of.
Yeah.
I wonder why Carly.
No, it's Alfonso.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alfonso. Why didn't I put Koto under my name?
Yeah, I was wondering that too, Katie. And
why am I looking up like I can see her name? Katie and Alfonso.
What's up there? I mean,
go
like on
over
YouTube.
there and look at our other videos because we're making new ones.
Yeah, go over there and click.
Where's it over there?
Nothing.
Where's it over there?
This side of the computer.
The computer with the stuff.
And down there's the mouse and the keyboard.
And there's you!
Yeah!
Or there you are, or there, I don't know.
Or there.
Now you're probably like trying to get out.
You're like, no.
No, Katie, you're wrong.
And then they're like, no.
We're gonna call Andy Wang again. Oh!
Oh well.
Oh well. We're gonna call him again.
Liz, don't you love that name, Andy Wang? I mean.
Someone send me a message on MySpace. I want to see it, LOL.
He wants to see what? Jonah.
Naked pictures.
You want to see my what?
I want to see
a grill.
No, Jonah wants to see our YouTube video. Hi, Jonah.
Whoa.
Okay, here we go.
Hurry up.
We said okay at the same time.
We did? How cool. We're so in sync, it's not even funny.
In sync. Hit me, baby.
Baby. Bye. Baby. I'm so dumb. Okay.
That's pretty good, though.
Okay.
That was pretty good.
It was pretty good.
I don't know if you can see me.
I don't know if you can see me. That's a good idea. Scooch your butt.
Always thinking.
Scooch your butt.
You sounded white.
There.
Oh!
At the tone, please record your message.
Look at my
When you finish
mean
recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Mean.
To send us
Kidding.
back, press 4
You better.
now.
I have mascara in my eye.
Press 5.
So my eyes water. We're trying to make you famous here, Andy. We have a show.
We have a record deal for you.
No. You're going to be on a commercial if you pick up. A very great
For America's Next Top Model.
Yeah, if you want to make it in the biz, Andy, pick up your phone. America's Next Top Model needs you.
You want to be
That
on
was
top?
That was Tyler. No, he probably wants to be on bottom.
Oh, okay.
Kidding.
Anyways.
Goodbye, Andy. Forever.
Wait,
Wait, I'm not even talking into the right part of my phone.
Forever.
Why did I just kiss the phone? I don't know why I just kissed the phone.
Yeah, I was like, what?
Those lips are for someone else.
Oh, girl. It's already 3 minutes and 54 seconds. Bye-bye.